Shut the door,
Why don't
Brittany.
you get your real bum
Brittany,
ass
shut
out?
the
You
door.
close the door. You open
Brittany,
it.
shut the door.
I ain't shutting shit.
Shut the door.
I ain't shutting shit.
Did you take your anger management pills today? Oh, shut the door, Brittany.
I ain't shutting shit. I don't care.
Brittany, shut the door.
A hype gonna come in.
Okay, get out there.
I thought we went through this before. I ain't getting out.
Shut the door, Brittany.
I'm not shutting the door either.
Brittany, shut the door.
You make me sick.
Shut the door.
Oh, you make me sick.
Brittany, now I'm going to push you out now. If you don't shut the damn door.
I'm not going nowhere.
Shut the... Brittany.
Oh my God.
Shut the door, Brittany. Brittany, shut the door.
I can't breathe.
I'm not shutting nothing.
Brittany, I'm not your mom.
What?
Shut the door.
What else supposed to mean?
What?
You want to do
trying
this
to
to your
insult my
mother.
mama?
You're trying to do this to your mother.
Oh.
That's why she puts you in an asylum.
The asylum.
She's going crazy.
They make me laugh
I'm
so
going to call
hard.
the police on you now.
Maybe they can come and shut the damn door because I'm not shutting.
Shut the door.
Ooh,
Brittany,
ooh,
shut the door.
ooh.
Nigga.
Shut the door, Brittany.
Nigga. I'm not shutting the door.
Brittany, shut the door.
Let me go.
Shut the door,
What?
Brittany. Shut the
Why
door,
she
Brittany.
sit down?
Look at her. Liz, could you please calm her down? People are staring at you, Brittany. Look. They're staring at you. Shut the door.
I'm not shutting the door.
No, people really. Stop.
Shut the door, Brittany.
I'm not shutting the door.
They don't call the
The door. Shut the door, Brittany. Shut it, Brittany. Shut the door. Shut the door, Brittany.
Brittany, shut the door.
Shut the door.
No! I'm not
Karen,
shutting the door.
I'm gonna close the
Brittany,
motherfucking door.
Shut the door. They're playing.
That's a security guard. Let's go.
Get it!
Put your seatbelt on, Brittany.
Brittany, stop. Brittany, stop.
Brittany.
Oh my God, the police are right behind us.
Oh, damn.